Hi, today I want to show you how to add Grammarly to Outlook. First, let's use Google Grammarly Outlook download. Let's search. We choose this one. How do I add Grammarly for Outlook for Office? Open this page. Click this link and click Get Add-in. Then we save it. Now let's open this add-in. Run. Get start. We choose both for Word and Outlook. Install. Okay, it is asking me to restart Outlook. Okay, finish. Let's close Outlook. Let's restart Outlook. Right now, the Outlook has been logged in yet. Let's create a new email. We click Open Grammarly. It will ask me to log in. Just log in using your Google account. Okay. Go back to email. Let's give a shot. Dear John, please find my newly delivered pot. Any please let me know. Let's see what's their suggestion. First, the find question, please now. Okay, it works well. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe me and give me a thumb up.